Give them a date. It's come to my attention that I'll be hearing all of area towing cases going forward. It's my understanding, Mr. Anders, that you've entered into a contract with Judge Slavin. Is that accurate?
It is.
Okay.
You assume the Judge Sutherland role.
Well, it's interesting that a judge that has handled 140 of your cases would enter into a contract with you while you have ongoing litigation pending in front of him. That's certainly interesting. But all of the area towing cases have been moving forward because of the contract that Judge Slavin recently entered into you. I can only assume it was for towing services, Mr. Anders?
No, it wasn't for towing services.
So I know I was given some other files. I haven't had a chance to even review them yet. But we'll have to set dates. I think they're auto owner cases, at least one of them is. So,
Yeah, I know there's two that have been consolidated.
Right.
So-
Holloway.
The Holloway heavy hauling is a party, auto owners is a party, and towing is also a party.
okay.
Since you're excited,
I'm fine with it.
I like
I mean,
it, so.
it's problematic just because of the length of these hearings. They're timely. I want to hear all of the evidence and, you know, this is a 4-day hearing and I just don't have the time.
Well,
So
we don't now we don't have to do environmental experts again. We're gonna get it right down to
Just now the
Jared,
litigation.
come on.
No, it'll be the litigation fee. Is all.
You're gonna be the expert on this.
no.
And
So we can figure out at that next date, I'll have those files brought up.
I think that the Holloway case is the only current one that.
There were two, but going
But I think
forward,
that-
because
I
of the
think it's the same
contract that Judge
consolidation.
Slavin has entered into with Mr. Anders, I will now be hearing all of them that come in the future.
Right.
So
Well, and Judge Salamone couldn't hear any of his cases either. That's why Judge Sullivan heard all of the areas.
did Judge Salamone enter into a contract with you too, Mr. Anders?
Judge Salamone and I had been friends for a very, very long time and
So he just never heard them.
Right.
yeah, he recused himself from, I was always with Sutherland or
And-
Nacita.
And Judge Slavin's up until
We just had.
1 week ago.
Yeah, he's only done,
He's done 140 of them,
Of area towing cases?
of area towing cases. I looked.
no.
No.
Yes,
He's done like
I've looked, he's had 140 since he took the bench. So there are 140 filings.
Not with me.
Yeah, not with me either.
That's what the
The last one he
Court
did was
records show.
Yashevitz.
Really?
That's what the court record shows.
Yes,
Well, they're all
That's
of the hearings, any area, you know, if they're contesting reasonableness of court fees, if they're, or of towing fees, I mean, they're all area towing cases.
Ones that he's come in and used everything I'm talking about.
Yeah, no, we appealed the one that that was Yashevitz that went up to
But
her, no, she had.
Well, now you don't have to appeal him anymore, you can just appeal me, since entering into contract with Judge Slavin, so you're good. So, we'll figure out dates on those other cases that have now been
Yeah.
transferred to me, at our next hearing date on this, I'll just have them brought up. At least the one, are you on one of them?
Yes, so, yeah, the one that's been consolidated, the two, I'm on that, I'm both, and just also to make where we filed motions on those, there's 2 SDs for my.
Yeah, he recused himself the date before you were supposed to come in for a hearing on those.
Yeah, while I was on vacation writing the replies, thinking that the hearing was going forward, and then found out, the recusal was there.
well, we're doing so much together. I almost went on vacation with you.
Hey, should have.
Yeah.
But,
So, okay, we'll figure out that one and then I'll pull the other one up and we'll figure out when to put that on as well.
And
I can't think of another.
there was one, I looked at the register of actions after that happened, a plaintiff named Black had filed
Oh, that was just filed.
that's the only one I had seen.
Well, I mean, they're not all pending. This is just since he took the bench there
How long's he been on the bench?
since 2015. 16, either January,
Those were all during my sabbatical.
yeah. So we'll bring them up next time and we'll figure out dates on those as
Okay.
well. All right, have a good weekend.
If Jared doesn't handle them, he can't handle them. Just give him all